Premier of Nevis, the Honourable Mark Brantley, says the government and people of St. Kitts and Nevis have been doing a good job so far in containing the coronavirus. He said although there are 14 confirmed cases in the Federation, 10 on St. Kitts and 4 on Nevis, none of those persons has been hospitalized. Speaking specifically of the cases on Nevis during his radio program On the Mark on Vaughan Radio on Wednesday, Premier Brantley said they are doing well.
Speaking for the 4 Nevis, with whom I'm familiar, I can say that they are all in excellent health, and we are now simply waiting to do the testing that we hope will give them the all clear so that they can be treated as having been recovered and put in that category of persons. But they're in good health. I have checked in certainly from time to time, and that is the report that I've had, that they are in excellent health. Nobody is currently hospitalized, and that I think is significant that we bear in mind, that nobody is hospitalized. And so a lot of the burden that we've seen in other countries, we have been spared that thus far.
The Premier said the successful containment of the virus thus far is due in part to the measures that have been imposed to keep persons safe and healthy. He advised persons to continue to follow the social distancing regulations as well as stay-at-home orders, curfews and lockdowns that have been put in place.
I know that it is difficult, but the results now are starting to show that it is that ultimately prevents the spread of this virus and this disease. And if we can get past this, it would mean that as a nation, as an island, as a country, we would have done it together. And I made a statement recently, a word of encouragement, where I said that we are all in this together. This virus is no respecter of persons. It is no respecter of wealth or status or class or position or religion or profession. It is something that can impact all of us.
Premier of Nevis, the Honourable Mark Brantley.